Hey buddy, John Villarreal here. A lot of families have been hit incredibly hard, and we want to help in the way that we can contribute. I'm sure a lot of people are doing more, but we're trying to do our part. We know there's a lot of families struggling out there really bad. It's just been an incredibly hard year for everybody all around the world. So we want to do our part. We had some extra stuff. Some of it's some pretty nice stuff, but we're just not using, or we think we can donate, or we think we can do without it, or we think we can help someone else out, whatever it is, to be able to give back and help someone else that may be needing something. We're going to go down right now to Salvation Army. We're going to give this stuff away so other people can use this, so we can help someone else out there in need. We've got some pillows, blankets, or duvet covers. We've got some other stuff here, some nice kids' clothes. Got my little girl who's outgrown, and just all kinds of stuff. Everything we're donating, I believe, is in pretty good condition. Nothing's torn. My wife tells me, I haven't looked through everything here, but it's like a lot of stuff. I know we're going through it. And, again, I'm sure people are doing more, but we're doing our part. And, again, I'm not telling anybody else what to do here, but it's just been a very tough year. And we believe in giving back. We believe in charity. I think it's important to, help other people and give back, particularly this year. We know what it's like for our family and our little girl. We want to do our part to help other families out there. I just want to send you that message right there. And we're trying to bring you real life. This is real life. Thank you for being one of our subscribers, one of our viewers. We appreciate it. Again, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not giving anybody any advice, but I think it's important to help other people when you can. And so maybe you take this as an opportunity today to just go do something nice for someone else and help someone else out. We're all here together on earth. We're all in this together. So I think it's important to give back. I know my wife really believes that. Our family really believes in that. We hope that all this finds a good homes and helps some people out there. Okay, here we are in front of a Salvation Army. We're gonna go donate our stuff exactly where they told us we could do it. So there we go. Hopefully that's helped some people out there. But I think it's been a really hard year for a lot of people. And I think we all have to try to help each other out where we can. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.